everyone, welcome back to Mr. Perfect Teacher. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. Today's topic is something very useful: how to start a conversation with a stranger in the park.
Yes, many learners say, I don't know what to say when I meet someone new.
Exactly. And parks are perfect places to practice English. People are relaxed, walking, or enjoying nature.
So today we'll help you learn simple, friendly ways to start a conversation with a stranger.
Stay with us till the end. We'll also have a short practice section for you.
And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy English lessons.
All right, let's start.
Imagine you're walking in the park. You see someone sitting on a bench with a dog. What can you say?
Maybe, "Your dog is so cute." That's a great way to start.
Yes, people love talking about their pets. You can say, what's your dog's name?
Let's act it out.
Hello, your dog is really cute.
Thank you. His name is Max.
Oh, Max is adorable. How old is he?
He's 3 years old. He loves running in the park.
See, a simple comment can start a friendly chat.
Exactly. Let's look at another situation. You're sitting near someone reading a book.
You can say, that book looks interesting. Is it good?
That's friendly and natural. Don't ask personal questions too quickly. Start with small talk.
Right, and keep your tone light and polite.
Let's do another example.
Sure.
Hi, it's a beautiful day, isn't it?
Yes, it is. The weather is perfect for a walk.
That's another easy opener. Talk about the weather.
People in English-speaking countries often start conversations with weather talk. For example, it's really sunny today, or I love this cool breeze. Then you can continue, do you come to this park often?
That's a nice way to keep the conversation going.
Just remember, smile, make eye contact, and speak clearly.
Yes, body language is very important. A friendly smile can help a lot.
Let's share some useful phrases for starting conversations in a park.
Okay, here are a few examples. Hi, I like your dog. It's a lovely day, isn't it? That's a nice bike. Do you ride here often? The flowers look beautiful today. Is that a good book?
Great! These are polite and simple, perfect for beginners.
You can also use a short compliment.
For example, I like your hat, or that's a cool t-shirt.
Just keep it natural. Don't say too many compliments at once. That can sound strange.
Exactly. One friendly sentence is enough to start.
Another tip: don't worry if the person doesn't talk much.
Yes, some people are shy or busy. That's okay. You can just smile and say, have a nice day.
Good manners always make a great impression.
Also, practice short answers. If someone talks to you, respond politely.
For example,
Good morning.
good morning. How are you?
Or, beautiful weather today.
Yes, it's perfect for a walk.
Simple, friendly, and clear.
You don't need long sentences, just a few kind words.
Now it's time for practice. We'll ask some questions and you learners answer aloud. Ready? Let's go. You see someone with a dog. What do you say? Good. You can say, your dog is so cute. You see someone reading a book. What can you say?
Yes, that book looks interesting. Is it good?
It's a sunny day. How can you start a chat?
Great! It's a beautiful day, isn't it?
Well done, everyone. You're doing amazing.
Remember, confidence grows with practice. Try these lines in real life.
Today, we learned how to start a conversation with a stranger in the park.
We practiced friendly phrases like, it's a nice day, and I like your dog.
We also talked about smiling, being polite, and speaking clearly.
Don't forget, practice makes perfect.
Try these phrases next time you go outside. You'll feel more confident speaking English.
And we'd love to hear from you. Write a sample park conversation in the comments.
Subscribe to Mr. Perfect Teacher for more easy English lessons.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.